So, this is Felix. He's looking at his ball. He really wants to play. And those jumps, that's who he is. You ready? Okay, go get it. Good boy! Yay! Good boy! So he's very good at keeping the yard clear of birds. He loves to play. He wanders around. He's got great energy, high energy. The house here is much more mellow than he's used to, but he's a good boy. He's learning his name. We found him with a cat on a dead-end street, so we're trying to figure out what the best plan is to adopt him with his friend the cat, whose name